YouTube guys and YouTube gals, it's me, your old buddy Magnum over here at Guns and Cars with 2 Z's, if you please. This is a very special YouTube video today. I got an emergency alert that there is an insane shapeshifter who has escaped from a local mental institution, and you need to be on the lookout for this person. The thing about him that is so unusual is that he can change his appearance and he can look like anyone he wants to. He is currently impersonating YouTube channel hosts, especially the very popular channels. So I wanted to send out a warning out there for all of you. I got a list from my emergency alert system of the channels that need to be aware of what's going on, and I'll list them for you right now. First of all, at the top of the list is Guns and Cars, Chef Borquet, My Hollow Point, Ammohead 73, Superfly Fat Guy 859, Tack Bishop, Eric C, Ms. Bomey, Asman 440, Bill Gowdy, Salty Shellback, Trees Blowin', Poison Stinger, Lone Star Rider, and Tardisius. So be aware. And then there is also another list of the channels that don't really need to worry because they aren't really that popular. And I'll read that to you also so that you can put your mind at ease. If you are one of these channels, you don't need to worry. Pete at the Armory Channel, Yankee Marshall, Hickok 45, James Yeager, Hornet Fixer, The Late Boy Scout, Baby Blue on the Town, and at the top of the list of unpopular channels, E-Bomey. So if you're on that list, don't worry. If you're not on that list, you need to be concerned because this person may decide to impersonate. So that's it. Be aware. Till I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay safe.